Lerenbox, helping you achieve.
Hello everyone, my name is Tosin, and on today's edition of this tutorial I'll be showing you on how to download free motion graphics content online. A lot of people have been chatting me up, sending messages on how can I get all these motion graphics templates, motion graphics samples and all of that without paying. How can I get free ones, at least for newbies, and actually understand that as well? So, and that's why I actually put this tutorial together for you. So join me as we dive deep into. Okay, so this is a motion motionarray.com. Oops, my internet just went off. Okay, so our internet is back. Alright, so this is a motionarray.com. You see unlimited download for filmmakers to do videos, amazing motion graphics, you see. And once you sign up here, you get trials on number of things you can download, of course. But now this is it. How do you now get free stuff from here? Trust me, I will not always advise you to always go for free stuff. Okay, you should at least pay a token. They say whatever thing that is worth doing well. There are times when you really have to part with some coins to get, the best of whatever thing you're looking for. But even though for newbies, like I said earlier in the introduction, if you're just starting out, you can actually get amazing stuff here to start with. Okay, so let's say Premiere Pro templates. You're looking for Premiere Pro template, and let me just say let's say motion graphics. Alright, you check it out. Okay, the network is a bit slow, but this is it. So all these are motion graphics templates, and so this is how to actually, most of them are paid. Okay, so what you now, to get the free ones, this is what you do. For example, I'm looking for slideshow, motion graphics slideshow, or transition, or whatever. Don't forget that I'm looking for Premiere Pro template, so this one is checked. You saw that from the beginning. So let's say slideshow or titles. Let me say titles, and I have to check that, and as well check slideshows. It's checked. And as well as check titles and slideshows. Beautiful. So what I do is I'll just check free items. Now once you check this free item, you say sorry, we didn't have any results, you can resubmit a request later. Beautiful. Alright, so you can just remove this. Okay, you saw what I did, right? I'm sure you did. Now you have all of these titles and slideshows. So here you have your opener, your snow paper slideshow, your Instagram story. All these are stuff you can download for free. All of these are free. All of these items are free on Motion Array. So you can actually do this to even get more amazing stuff, trust me. So that will be all for today. So guys, that will be all for today's tutorial. Yeah, and of course we'll be dropping several others. If there's anything you'd like me to share, you can as well drop it at the comment box, and of course I will do just that for you. Don't forget, my name is Tosin, and this is Lerenbox. So until we meet again, stay cool.
Lerenbox, helping you achieve.